Welcome to infyGyan, my dear friends. This exponential equation looks terrifying at first glance, but there is a hidden pattern in exponents that makes the entire problem surprisingly easy. So let's get started by writing the most powerful exponent law, which is a power b times c, can be written as a power b whole power c, or we can write a power c whole power b. So we have 16 power 3x, 8 power 2x, 4 power 9x. 16 is 4 square. We have whole power 3x plus 8 power 2x. We'll write 8 power 2 times x plus 4 power 9x. Can be written as 4 power 3 times 3x equal to 399. Now we can swap these two numbers only, 2 and 3, using power rule. So I will write 4 power 3 whole power 2x plus 8 power 2 whole power x plus 4 power 3 whole power 3x will be equal to 399. Now we know that 4 cube is 64, 8 square is 64, 4 cube is 64. So we will write 64 power 2x plus 64 power x plus 64 power 3x equal to 399. Again we can use power rule and write 64 power x whole square plus 64 power x plus 64 power x whole cube equal to 399. Now our substitution is easy. It is 64 power x. So let us assume 64 power x suppose equal to a. So our equation will become a square plus a cube equal to 399. Or we can write a cube plus a square plus a equal to 399. We'll be splitting 399 in 343 plus 49 plus 7. It is 399. Now we will take all the terms to left hand side. A cube minus 343 plus a square minus 49 plus a minus 7 equal to 0. 343 is 7 cube, 49 is 7 square. So we can write a cube minus 7 cube plus a square minus 7 square plus a minus 7 equal to 0. We'll be using a cube minus b cube formula over here, a square minus b square formula over here. We will get a minus 7 times a square plus 7a plus 7 square, which is 49, plus a square minus b square is a plus b times a minus b. So a plus 7 times a minus 7. Then we have a minus 7 equal to 0. Now a minus 7 is overall common. So we will write here a minus 7. In other bracket, there would be a square plus 7a plus 49 plus a plus 7 plus 1 equal to 0, which will give us a square plus 8a plus 57. Let me write here a minus 7 times a square plus 8a plus 57 equal to 0. Now we will use product 0 rule. So we can write either a minus 7 equal to 0 or a square plus 8a plus 57 equal to 0. Now we will solve second equation first, quadratic equation. Here we will find discriminant of the equation. As per formula, discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4 times ac. As per equation, capital A is coefficient of small a square 1, b is coefficient of small a 8, c is constant 57. Now we will find d, which will be equal to 8 square minus 4 times 1 times 57. 8 square is 64 minus 4 times 57 is 228. And if we will take away bigger number from a smaller number, we are going to get minus sign and value would be 164. Discriminant is negative. We are going to get complex solutions. So we can reject this quadratic equation as we are looking for real solutions. So we have a minus 7 equal to 0 equation. We'll add 7 to both sides and we will get a equal to 7. Now a was 64 power x. So we will write 64 power x equal to 7. This is in exponent form. Now we will convert exponent form into log form and we will get x equal to log 7 with base 64. Now we know that 64 is 2 power 6. So we can write x will be equal to log 7 with base 2 power 6. Using log property, we can write RHS equal to 1 over 6 times log 7 with base 2. Now we will exchange x and 6. So I can write 6 equal to 1 over x log 7 with base 2. Now we will take this x to the power to 2. We will get log 7 with base 2 power x equal to 6. So our required expression would be 6. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Goodbye.